tap airdrop video, okay, dedicated by tutorial guide how to join everything I will show you. Just keep attention, okay. So before we go into this video, do subscribe, do like, do comment if you have any question, okay. So here we go. Here we step rising $5 million plus. Their funding investor are investing on this company, and the more they will invest, the more you will get your reward. That's it, okay. And I'm gonna share with you as well their Twitter, that how their Twitter is look like. Their bio will say everything that what is tap is, okay. The home of decentralized finance and dapps on layer on Bitcoin, whatever they are, doesn't matter, okay. You don't need to think about this fucking shit, okay. What you need to think that you are here for making money, you want to join properly, and that's it. However, I'm just showing you the proof of work that their social media, that how they behave on social. So their social media pretty much, healthy. There is no negativity here. So this is their Twitter profile now. So in order to join in this airdrop, you need to come into our Telegram channel, where you will find Telegram link in this video's description box, okay. And the latest video tap protocol, if you don't find, just search on here tap, write in by like tap, and this video is be show up in front of you. However, what you need to do is just click on this link or go to your browser where you have your Twitter, okay, whatever browser. Here you don't need to connect your MetaMask, anything like wallet type of thing, okay. Here is you need just Twitter, and just Twitter, just nothing else. So click on that link, this link. I'm clicking this link, and this link will bring you inside of here. And here what you need to do is just click on connect to Twitter, that is people known now is X, Elon Musk product. However, click on there, and your Twitter need to connect with tap website in order to being verified that as is every task you done properly or not. So here their past post, that everything written by that how much point you are going to get in order to done each task. So here is commenting 2 points. If you do comment, you will get 20 points. If you do retweet, 30 points. If you do co-retweet, 40 points. If you do like, 10 points. Every point would be converted into your fucking airdrops. So here is you need to just use the 1 minute task, okay. If I show you, so click on this task, and that will bring you into Twitter. And here what you need to do is what they said on their task. So here is what we will do. We will do more, okay. What they say, if they say that just do like, we will do everything, okay. So they don't say that do follow, but we are going to follow them because it's not going to take anything from us. So do the more, the more you will get reward, okay. The more you have chance to win. So never like be jealous or what I can, like what will I do more. So it's it never take something from you. You can do more. The more you will give service to people, to anything, the more you will get money, okay. So however, here is commenting first. Write down anything like your project, something like uh, it's good quality project. um Seems like seems like seems like anything that you have to say about this project, a good quality project, seems like you know um, healthy protocol. Okay, and whatever, like you say, just good project, and bam, click on this fucking thing. And what you need to do is retweet. Maybe you are getting 40 points here, and like, and we are going to do quote tweet here as well, like good quality project, and bam, click on this post. So now what you need to do is everything you done. Now click on back button in order to going inside of here. So here is nothing you need to do, just one task, very simple. Your grandfather can do that. Okay, so pretty much easy, straightforward, nothing complicated. So I'm trying to see that is any task it has here or not, or okay, the same task. I'm trying to swap this page, but it is a one task here. Okay, if you found any story, if I like miss anything, please write down comment for knowing me, for make sense me that I missed something from this airdrop, because I joined today and I shared video now in the night. I joined in the morning time, okay, and in the night I'm creating video for you. So if you found anything more than me, please write down comment, because maybe like all of you those are watching this video, maybe you are better than me to in airdrop. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. So if you want to join the our telegram, where I shared airdrop as well as you know updated airdrop, new airdrop, feel free to check out this video's description box, and you will get a link about telegram. Come into telegram, and see you later in the next time. Until, happy hunting.